Hey guys, this is going to be a pretty quick video. We are going to make positive affirmation cards for kids using Canva and ideogram. Okay, so this is what they are going to look like. There's just a couple examples, and what we are going to do is, let me close this out, and I have a template here with 12 affirmation cards per sheet. These are sized at 2.5 by 3.5, the same size as a standard playing card. Okay, so what we've done is I've gone into ideogram and I have a huge list of 70 different prompts for ideogram that you can just punch in here and generate some really cute images for your affirmation cards. Okay, and I'm just going to generate a couple here quick, and we're going to wait for that to finish. All right, and these are done. So what I'm going to do is look at the ones I want. I think I'm going to grab this guy, and I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it right over here into my Canva, and it's going to upload it to my folder. I'm just going to get that out of my way there. I'm going to go back to ideogram, and I am going to grab this one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy and paste it right into Canva. Rather than downloading it and then uploading it and all that fun stuff, I just copy and paste the images I want. And let me do one more, because we're not going to go through and do a bunch of these. I'm just doing a few so you can see how to do them, and you can create your own sets of affirmation cards for kids, and you can sell them as a printable bundle in your Etsy shop or on your website. All right, let's wait for this one to finish. All right, and I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it over here, and then we are going to work over here. And I will have a link below this video in the description where you can download the 70 prompts for ideogram to make your little cartoon affirmation characters, and I will also have a link for this template, okay, that you can upload into Canva to make your own. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you see I have these set up in frames, and I want to add a border, and I have this one right here, this cool like watercolor border. So I am just going to add this to all of my images. Now I could have just put one template on the sheet and then I could have duplicated it, but I want you to be able to use your own borders. You might want to do different ones for each image. Like here's one with just little polka dots, and that one won't drop in. So you just have to find ones that work. That one does, so I'll do a couple in that. Actually, I think I like that one. That one doesn't drop in. Some of these images will drop in as a frame in your frame, others won't. So you just have to, you know, look around, find one you like, and use it. Actually, let's see if this, nope, this one doesn't. So, like I said, you just have to look around and find ones that do, and find the one you like. Actually, I think I like this one. All right, so this is the one we're going to use. I am going to change all of these to this frame, to this border, and you don't have to put a border on if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. I just like them with the border. So now I have those in, and what I want to do now is I'm going to select all of these. because I do not want, when I bring the affirmation images over, if I just drag it over and try to put it, see, it replaces that border. And I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of these and I am going to lock them. Okay? So once I lock them, now that border is locked in place. So now what I can do is I can take my images that I made in ideogram, and I'm going to zoom in here while I'm working on a couple of these so you can see better. I can take this image that I made in ideogram and I can fit it in here right in the middle there. You see that? That's how easy these are to make. We're going to do this for all of them. And I just center it. And if you want to, if it looks like it might be cutting off some of your border, just remove the background on your image from ideogram, and now it looks great right in there. And these are fantastic little printable bundles that you can make and sell in the shop, in your Etsy shop, at your own website, wherever. If you do in-person markets, you could print these yourself and sell them as affirmation card bundles. But that's how easy these are to make. And you can make as many as you want. But like I said, I was just going to do a few with you this morning so you can see how simple they are. And especially with the template that I have already set up here in Canva, and with the prompts that you can grab below for these images, it just doesn't get any easier than this. You can just pop these images in and make a bunch of these and sell them as a bundle. And you can then change this up. You could make these for people who are in recovery. You could make them for new moms. You could make them for a variety of subjects, different affirmation cards for a lot of different people or situations. But I just thought it would be really fun to make some for kids. You know, they can get a different one every day. They wake up in the morning and look at an affirmation card for the day, so they start their day off on a positive vibe. All right, so this is how quick and easy these are. If you have any questions about making these, drop them in the comments below. Once you have your sheet full, I would save this as a PDF. I would share, download, and I would save this as a PDF for printing. And then you can just upload the PDF to your Etsy shop. Customers can download it and print it right from their computer. No problem. And you see we get 12 to a sheet, so if you wanted to make multiples, all you do is I would duplicate my page and then swap out my images for other ones that I have generated. Okay? So that's how easy it is to make these affirmation cards. It only takes a couple minutes. It's a really quick process, and you can do so much with these. Like I said, there are so many different topics and subjects and different people that you can make these for. But this set is for kids, and the ideogram prompts I have for you, the 70 of them that are down below, they are going to be all cartoon characters like this for kids. Okay? So I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. All right? Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.